Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor. I'm back at y'all again. Another video. It's been a while. Second video since I've been back. Strike out the park. Now, I'm coming to warn you all. To those brothers that's on the streets, still doing that thing. I ain't gonna say too much. The government just did a deal with some entities not from what we call the planet Earth. The government just did a deal with some entities not from what we call the planet Earth. And these entities are able to extract your DNA through your cell phone. See, the thing is, we get so bent out of shape about how they listening to our calls. These people, our voice is what we are. Your voice is you. You are your thoughts. Your thoughts become sound. So your sound is DNA. These people are taking your sound DNA and they are extracting it from the sound towers through the universal satellites that they are setting up. They have satellites in militaries. And every 6 months, they take all of this energy and they go through all of this DNA. And they have codes, A, B, C, and D codes, where they see that the A code is the highest form of the biochemical structure within the DNA of a particular person. And with this A code, they can actually pinpoint that person's voice. This is why they tap you for fingerprints when they do crimes. Whenever a criminal is brought into a jail, what they have to do is take your fingerprints. Your voice is like a fingerprint. Everybody have their own voice print, which is DNA. Meaning that everybody that is in a physical body that's here is not really here. You get what I'm saying? Some people that's here is in faraway dimensions where there is higher intelligence, and they can tap into that stuff through your voice DNA, through your cell phone. This is why they call it a cell phone, a cell. Some people, everybody's cells is not the same. Every cell makes up an organism, and every organism makes up a physical body. This is why every physiological structure of every so-called human being is very distinct. You have certain human beings here that's not human. Their DNA is so loud to the point where it's silent. Their DNA is so loud to the point where it's silent. So now they are extracting your voice DNA. Your voice is like blood. Your voice is like plasma. Your voice is like cells. They are taking the nucleus from your sound wave frequencies and extracting it through the cell phone by way of your voice. And they are able to listen in to what you are doing in your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a greater universe that you can't see with your two physical eyes. But your dreams can actually give it to you a little bit at a time, but then they are now blocking that as well. When you go to sleep and you dream, this is why you wake up and you can't remember a lot of things. Because the cell towers are tapping into the cell towers in your body, which is the nucleus, which holds every dimensional, I don't care which direction the dimension is facing. They are able to tap into these cell towers wherever your subconscious is giving its attention. They are able to tap into these cell towers wherever your subconscious is giving its attention. DNA is not just blood. Your eyes is DNA. So for people who sun gazing and think that that's the real sun that you see down there, not up there, but down there, it's not a real sun. It's a satellite that's tapping into the DNA in your eyes. Your eyes have a subconscious brain as well. And this is why many of us can see things when others can't see things. It's not that people are crazy. They just have a different brain in their eyes. They have a different mind in their eyes. Your heart is a brain. So he who controls the heart controls the thoughts that runs through the heart. So while you're watching television, watching reality shows, and things of that nature, this is the thing that's creating the scripts for your heart so that you can think on the same frequency of that script that they are giving you so your heart can be emotional. And now guess what? You can't see yourself and the thing that you are trying to connect to. When I say that, I'm talking about the people that you call your queen or your wife or your girl or your prince or whoever. You should always be able to see yourself in anything that you can connect yourself to or anything that you communicate with. I don't give a damn if it's a tree behind you. I see myself in the tree behind me. Everything has a soul. It's just that you can't see it because you're being blocked. So with that much said, Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor, I'm out. Peace.